Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. Now, with everything that has got on in 2020, we are more aware of clean air than ever before. That's why today I am unboxing and reviewing the TOPPIN HEPA Comfy C2 Air Purifier. Now, TOPPIN makes a range of family home products that helps you live cleaner, healthier lives. Things like this. Now, this is the H13 True HEPA Air Purifier. Can you believe it removes 99.97% of all air particles up to 0.3 microns? Now, we all know how important microns are in 2020. So can you imagine removing all of that dirt, all of that bacteria with this amazing machine? It looks a little small, doesn't it? But you know what they say, dynamite comes in small packages. This amazing machine will remove contaminants of up to 150 cubic meters per hour. Now, that means it's suitable for your home, and that includes things such as dust, allergens, pollen, pet dander, mold spores, cooking and smoke odors. Now, the TOPPIN HEPA Comfy Air C2 Air Purifier has a 360-degree all-round filtration. That means it's covering an area of up to 15 to 20 square meters. That's 160 to 215 square feet. That's perfect for replacing the air in a bedroom, a study, a living room, or even a kitchen. Now, the air purifier has 4 different layers of protection in its filter system. First off, we've got the nylon pre-filter. This filters out hairs and pet dander. Second, we've got the H13 True HEPA. This captures fine airborne particles. Next is the carbon, which absorbs smoke and odors. And fourth, we have the sponge, which seals off any dirty air. An important element, for me at least, is the way things look. Look how stylish this looks in the room. I love also how adjustable it is. It has this LED screen, and it has a timer. So you can set it for 2, 4, or 8 hours. Oh, that smells so good, and you can just feel the fresh air coming through. It also has 3 different fan levels. Now you can hear that coming on nice and strong. I know I could have used that in Milan when I used to live there. Now, this is at the high level, number 3, and that's at 45 decibels. The first level, number 1, is only 21 decibels, and the second level is at 30 decibels. And 30 decibels is almost like the sound of a whisper. You could easily go to sleep with that kind of sound. Now, another thing this LED screen will show you is when you need to change the filter. And as you've seen in the unboxing, it's super simple. Now, as a parent, it's important that we try help our family stay healthy in these times. This TOPPIN Air Purifier is one of those products that will help you do just that. They've got a range of other products to help you and your family do that, so I'm going to leave a link down below where you can go check that out. Hey, while you're here, go check out this video. I think you'll enjoy it.